Good morning to all, dear students. Congruence of triangles. Criteria for congruence triangles. To be congruent, two triangles, to be congruent, there are certain rules, there are certain criterions. So, one of them is SSS congruence criterion. SSS means side, side, side. It means if a given correspondence, the here one word is missing. If under a given correspondence the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. तो यदि टू ट्रायंगल्स हैं और उनमें दोनों की वन बाय वन एक साइड दूसरे की एक साइड के इक्वल है, इसी तरह से दूसरी साइड पहले ट्रायंगल की दूसरी साइड दूसरे ट्रायंगल की दूसरी साइड के इक्वल है और तीसरी साइड के इक्वल है, तब वे ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स कहलाएंगे. तो फॉर एग्जांपल पेज नंबर 40, ट्राई दीज. पेज नंबर 140, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इन फिगर, lengths of the sides of triangles are indicated by applying the SSS congruence rule. State which pairs of triangles are congruent. In case of congruent triangles, write the result in symbolic form. तो हमें लेंथ ऑफ साइड्स कंपेयर करनी है और देखना है SSS कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल अप्लाई करके, SSS कॉन्ग्रुएंस क्राइटेरियन अप्लाई करके ये बताना है कि ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं या नहीं है, और यदि ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो उन्हें सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में लिखना है, विद कॉन्ग्रुएंट सिंबल लिखना है. एज फर्स्ट पार्ट, ट्रायंगल ABC is given with measures of sides, and triangle PQR is another triangle. So these are the two triangles. So here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB equals to PQ, AB equals to PQ, both are 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Here sequence matters a lot, students. Be pay attention that sequence, proper sequence should be there. AB, we see that the next side, if we go ABC, then BC is 2.5. In the same way here PQR, in triangle PQR, PQ is 1.5 and QR next side is 2.5 centimeter, means sequence is okay. If we write AB equal to QP, then it will be a little bit confusing कि B जो है वो 2.5 साइड वाली सेंटीमीटर वाली साइड पर है, और QP अगर हम कहते हैं तो P पॉइंट जो है वो 2.2 सेंटीमीटर वाली साइड पर है. सो AB इक्वल टू PQ. इन द सेम वे BC इक्वल टू QR, BC equal to QR, that is 2.5 centimeter. AC equal to PR equal to 2.2 centimeter. So we can write, this is symbolic form. Triangle ABC is congruent to, this is congruent sign, equal sign, and above it one curve S like structure. Triangle PQR, it means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS congruence rule or congruence criterion. SSS because side, three sides we have compared like this. In the same way second part can be done, and third part is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So we can write triangle ABC and RQP. ABC and RQP, why? because if we write ABC and PQR, then AB is not equal to PQ and BC is not equal to QR. If we write RQP, then at least ABC BC will be equal to QP RQP according to the sequence. So in triangle ABC and triangle RQP, AB is not equal to RQ. सबसे पहले हमने देखा कि AB जो है वो RQ के इक्वल नहीं है. ये 2 सेंटीमीटर है और ये 2.5 सेंटीमीटर है. दो नेक्स्ट साइड्स BC इज इक्वल टू QR QP, both are 4 centimeter each, and AC equal to RP 5 centimeter each. But because AB is not equal to RQ and there must be 3 sides equal for being congruent by SSS criterion, so these are not congruent triangles. Here fourth part is also given. In this you can take triangle ADB and ADC. So AD equal to AD common arm, DB equal to DC given 2.5 2.5, and AB equal to AC 3.5 3.5. So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by SSS congruence rule or criterion. And question number 2 on page number 141. Try these. In figure AB equal to AC, figure is given here, AB equal to AC, D is the midpoint of BC. ये BC लाइन सेगमेंट जो है इसका मिड पॉइंट D है, मीन्स ADB और ADC 2 ट्राइंगल्स हैं जिनमें हमें बताना है. तो फर्स्ट वन, स्टेट 3 पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स इन ट्राइंगल ADB एंड ADC. सो हेयर वी कैन टेक एज सॉल्यूशन AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC, it is given in the question. AB equal to AC, so we can write here given. BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC, or DB equal to DC we can write here. In place of BD we may write DB. DB equal to DC. D is the midpoint of BC, that is also given. And AD equal to AD. AD is common in ADB and ADC both. So AD equal to AD, we can write common arm. This was first part. In second part, is triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC? Give reasons. So we can write yes. And for reason we have already compared in first part that 3 sides are equal. 3 corresponding sides are equal in both the triangles. So yes, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by SSS congruence rule or congruence criterion. And third part is angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. So when 2 triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal, like angle A will be equal to angle A like this. Angle B will be equal to angle C, and angle ADB will be equal to angle ADC. So here we can write yes, angle B equal to angle C. For why? Means reason is there, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And students, in the same way, question number 3 is given here. 7.16, AC equal to BD and AD equal to BC given. So here you have to tell which of the following statements is meaningfully written. इन दोनों में से मीनिंगफुल स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? तो ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ABD ABC and ABD. So in ABC we will see that AB is equal to AB, common in both ABC and ABD, but BC is not equal to BD. So triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle ABD. It will be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. ABC and BAD. Here AB equal to BA and BC equal to AD. So second one, in the solution you will write first part no, in second part you will write yes, it is meaningful. So students, watch the video carefully, and on page number 140 and 141 both, all the try these questions you have to complete, all the parts you have to complete. Thank you, have a nice day.